Ever wondered why your liver health is crucial to your overall well-being? Well, the answer lies in the liver's multifunctional role. It detoxifies the body, aids digestion, and synthesizes essential proteins, among other things. But what happens when this vital organ is under siege? Enter fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease is a condition characterized by an excess accumulation of fat in the liver cells, beyond what's considered healthy. Now, a little fat in the liver is normal, but when it exceeds 5 to 10% of the liver's weight, it can lead to serious health complications. There are two main types of fatty liver disease: alcoholic and non-alcoholic. As the name suggests, alcoholic fatty liver disease is primarily caused by heavy alcohol consumption, while non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is due to other factors such as obesity and type 2 diabetes. It's a prevalent condition affecting approximately 1 in every 4 people worldwide. That's a staggering 25% of the global population. But the concerning part is, many people with fatty liver disease don't even know they have it, as it often shows no symptoms. So, how does this disease affect the body? Well, initially there may be no noticeable impact. However, over time, as more and more fat accumulates, the liver can become inflamed. This can cause the liver to enlarge and lead to discomfort or pain in the upper right abdomen. If left untreated, it can progress to liver damage, cirrhosis, or even liver cancer. It's important to remember that fatty liver disease isn't a death sentence. It's a wake-up call, a sign that it's time to make some changes. And the good news is, it's often reversible, especially in the early stages. Now that we've uncovered the basics of fatty liver disease, we're going to explore the top 10 ways to reverse it. So stay tuned, and let's embark on this journey towards better liver health together. Number 10 on our list is managing your diet. Now, diet plays a pivotal role in reversing fatty liver disease. It's like fuel for your body. The better the quality, the better your body functions. Imagine your body as a high-performance sports car. Would you put low-grade fuel in it? I think not. So why would you put low-quality food in your body? Let's start with reducing saturated fats. These are the culprits hiding in your favorite fried foods and creamy desserts. Next, sugar, the sweet enemy. It's not just in candies and sodas, but also in foods you'd least expect, like bread and pasta sauce. Lastly, processed foods, the convenience that comes at a cost. These foods are often packed with unhealthy additives which can put a strain on your liver. Remember, a healthy diet is key in reversing fatty liver disease. Your body deserves the best, so give it the best. Moving on to number 9, regular exercise. A sedentary lifestyle contributes to the accumulation of fat in the liver, leading to fatty liver disease. But don't worry, you don't need to run a marathon or become a gym rat to see results. A brisk walk for 30 minutes a day can do wonders. Physical activity helps regulate your metabolism, burn excess calories, and balance your insulin levels, all of which are vital for liver health. It's not just about losing weight, it's about creating a healthier environment for your liver to function. Even simple changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator, parking further away from the store, or dancing while you cook dinner can add up over time. Remember, the goal is to make exercise a regular part of your daily routine, so find activities you enjoy and stick with them. Exercise doesn't just burn calories, it could burn away your fatty liver disease. Our number 8 suggestion is limiting alcohol consumption. You see, alcohol can be a foe to your liver, causing inflammation and damage that leads to fatty liver disease. When you cut back on those glasses of wine or cans of beer, you give your liver a chance to heal. It's all about moderation. Swapping out alcoholic beverages for healthier options can be a game changer in reversing fatty liver disease. Remember, take it easy on the alcohol, your liver will thank you. Number 7 on our list is weight control. Let's delve into why it's so crucial in combating fatty liver disease. You see, there's a significant link between obesity and this condition. The excess fat in your body can accumulate in the liver, leading to inflammation and damage over time. That's why maintaining a healthy weight is not just a cosmetic concern. It's about your well-being, your vitality, your life. But how can you achieve this? It's about making consistent, healthy choices. It's about embracing nutritious foods, regular exercise, and a balanced lifestyle. It's about setting achievable goals and celebrating small victories on your path to wellness. And remember, it's not about drastic overnight changes, it's about steady, sustainable progress. So, if you're looking to reverse fatty liver disease, consider weight control as a key player in your strategy. Because a balanced weight is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Coming in at number 6, hydration. Staying well hydrated is not just beneficial for your overall health, but it's particularly vital for your liver. Water aids in flushing out toxins and supports the liver in its function of processing nutrients from food. It's like oil to a machine, keeping everything running smoothly. So think twice before reaching for that soda. Opt for a refreshing glass of water instead. Remember, we're aiming for a healthy liver, not just to quench thirst. Raise a glass of water for your liver's health. Number 5 on our list is avoiding toxins. Toxins are harmful substances that can worsen fatty liver disease. They're found in everyday items from cleaning products to processed foods and can cause damage to your liver, making it harder to break down fats and remove waste from your body. But how can you limit your exposure? Start by being aware of what you're consuming. Try to eat organic, pesticide-free foods as much as possible. Limit processed foods that are often filled with artificial preservatives and chemicals. Also, consider the products you use around your house. Many cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that can be harmful if inhaled or absorbed through the skin. Look for natural, non-toxic alternatives. Limiting your exposure to toxins isn't just about what you eat or the products you use. It also means avoiding harmful habits like smoking, which can significantly impact your liver health. Being mindful of the toxins in your environment can make a world of difference. Our number 4 suggestion is getting regular checkups. Diving into the world of healthcare, the significance of regular checkups can't be overstated. You see, these routine visits to your doctor provide an early warning system for health issues, including fatty liver disease. They're like your personal radar, scanning for any blips that could signal trouble. When it comes to fatty liver disease, early detection is key. It's a condition that often creeps up silently, with symptoms typically appearing only in the later stages. But with regular checkups, your doctor can spot subtle changes in your liver's health, even before you notice anything amiss. These checkups also offer valuable opportunities for you to discuss any concerns, ask questions, and get advice tailored to your unique health situation. Remember, your doctor isn't just a health professional, they're your partner in this journey towards health. Your doctor is your best ally in the fight against fatty liver disease. Coming in at number 3, medication. While lifestyle changes are absolutely crucial in reversing fatty liver disease, sometimes our bodies need a little extra help. That's where medication steps in. Certain medications can help manage this condition by reducing liver inflammation, improving insulin resistance, and lowering high levels of fat in the blood. These medications aren't a quick fix, but rather, they work in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle to help restore your liver's health. Now, it's important to remember that not all medications are suitable for everyone. Each person's body reacts differently, and what works for one might not work for another. That's why it's essential to have an open dialogue with your healthcare provider. They can guide you towards the most effective and safe medication options for your specific situation. So, don't hesitate. Talk to your healthcare provider about medications that could help. Number 2 on our list is making lifestyle changes. The path to a healthier liver isn't just about what you eat or how much you exercise, it's about how you live. It's about managing stress and ensuring you get quality sleep. Stress can trigger inflammation and damage your liver, while a lack of sleep can disrupt your metabolism and lead to weight gain. So how do you manage stress? It might be as simple as taking a walk in the park, meditating, or even talking to a friend. And when it comes to sleep, try to create a peaceful environment. Stick to a regular sleep schedule and avoid screens before bedtime. These changes might seem small, but they can have a significant impact on your overall health. They can help regulate your body's functions, reduce inflammation, and ultimately, reverse fatty liver disease. Remember, it's not just about treating the disease, it's about creating a healthier lifestyle. A healthier lifestyle could be your ticket to a healthier liver. And the number 1 way to reverse fatty liver disease is making consistent lifestyle changes. From prioritizing a balanced diet, engaging in regular exercise, and limiting alcohol to controlling your weight, staying hydrated, and avoiding toxins. Regular checkups and appropriate medication are also crucial. These are the top 10 ways to combat this condition. Remember, your liver is vital to your overall health. Take care of it.